ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन मराठीमध्ये आपलं सगळ्यांचं मनापासून स्वागत. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी बँकिंग आणि फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूशनचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ आपल्याबरोबर शेअर केले आहेत. हे MCQ आपल्याला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये नक्की उपयोगाला पडतील. सो डू वॉच इट. आजचा लेक्चर सुरू करण्याआधी मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छिते की ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटीने आपल्यासाठी कॉमर्स फुल सिलेबस कोर्स आणला आहे, ज्याच्यात आपल्याला 25 मॉक टेस्ट भेटतील, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर टेस्ट विथ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन भेटतील, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट, फुल युनिट नोट्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोन्ही लँग्वेजमध्ये भेटतील, 200+ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश असं दोन लँग्वेजचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण भेटेल. टू जॉइन डाउनलोड अवर ॲप ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटी और कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन बिलो गिवन नंबर. चला तर मग आजच्या लेक्चरला सुरुवात करू. भारतातील सर्वात मोठी खाजगी क्षेत्रातील बँक कोणती आहे? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत ICICI, ॲक्सिस बँक, HDFC बँक, HSBC बँक. The correct answer for this question is option number C. HDFC Bank is the largest private sector bank in India. As of March 2021, HDFC Bank was the leading Indian private bank with a total asset over 15 trillion Indian rupees within the banking sector. HDFC Bank comes second after the public sector State Bank of India, which is worth nearly 40 trillion Indian rupee in a term of asset during the same period of time. लिबोर संज्ञा यासाठी वापरली जाते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत युरोपियन बाजारात ठेव दर, युरो चलन बाजारात व्याज दर, लंडनमधील आंतरबँक कर्जासाठी ठेव दर लागू आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे युरो बॉन्ड मार्केटमध्ये व्याज दर. The correct answer for this question is option number C. LIBOR term is a use for deposit rate application to interbank loan in London. The London Interbank Offered Rate or a LIBOR is the most common benchmark interest rate index used to make adjustment to variable rate loan and credit card. LIBOR is used by World Bank when charging which other for short-term loans. Here the next question is RWA with regard to capital adequacy stand for which of the following? And the options are risk withdrawal adjustments, risk withdrawal arrangements, risk weighted assets, and last option is risk free weighted asset. And the correct answer for this question is option number C. RWA with regard to the capital adequacy stand for risk weighted assets. Risk weighted assets are used to determine the minimum amount of a capital that must be held by a bank and other financial institutions in order to reduce the risk of insolvency, and the capital requirement is based on the risk assessment of each type of a bank asset. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे रेपो आणि रिव्हर्स रेपो दर हे RBIचे साधन म्हणून वापरले जाते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत क्रेडिट कंट्रोल, सेटलमेंट सिस्टम, चलन व्यवस्थापन आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे तरलता नियंत्रण. The correct answer for this question is option number D. The repo and the reverse repo rate are resorted to by the RBI as a tools of liquidity control. Reverse repo rate is an important monetary policy tool used by Reserve Bank of India to control liquidity and inflation in the economy. The current reverse repo rate, under the reverse repo rate, the bank deposit excess fund with the RBI and earn interest for it. The liquidity management strategy means your business has a plan to meeting its short-term and immediate cash obligation without experiencing significant loss. It means your company is managing its asset including a cash to meet all the liability, cover all the expenses and maintain financial stability. Here the next question is what refers to the process of removing or stripping the legal status of currency? And the options are digitization, financial inclusion, demonetization, and last option is microfinance. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Demonetization refers to the process of removing or stripping the legal status of a currency. Demonetization is the act of stripping a currency unit of its status as a legal tender. It occurs whenever there is a change of a national currency. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे ई बँकिंग मध्ये स्कीमिंग संदर्भित करते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत फसवणूक करणाऱ्यांना ओळखणे जे क्रेडिट कार्ड मधून महत्त्वाची माहिती कॉपी करतात, एका क्रेडिट कार्डद्वारे अनेक व्यवहार, डेबिट कार्ड क्रेडिट कार्डमध्ये रूपांतर, वरीलपैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Skimming in e-banking refers to identifying fraudster copying vital information from credit cards. Skimming is an illegal practice used by identity thieves to capture credit card information from the cardholder. Fraudsters often use the device called skimmer that can be installed at gas pump or ATM machine to collect card data. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे लेटर ऑफ क्रेडिट, गॅरंटी, फॉरवर्ड कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट हे खालीलपैकी कोणत्या अंतर्गत येतात आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत बँकेचे दायित्व, बँकेची मालमत्ता, बँकेच्या प्रक्रिया चलन वस्तू, बँकेच्या ताळेबंद नसलेल्या वस्तू. Here the correct answer for this question is option number D. Letter of credit, guarantee, forward contract, etc. comes under off-balance sheet item of the bank. Off-balance sheet items are a contingent asset or a liability such as a unused commitment, letter of credit, and derivatives. This item may expose institution to credit risk, liquidity risk, or a counterparty risk which is not reflected on the sector balance sheet report. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे कोणत्या चळवळीने व्यावसायिक बँकेच्या निर्मितीला प्रोत्साहन दिले आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत स्वदेशी चळवळ, भारत छोडो आंदोलन, असहकार चळवळ आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे सविनय कायदेभंग चळवळ. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Swadeshi movement encouraged the formation of commercial banks. The Swadeshi movement was a part of an Indian independent movement and contributed to the development of Indian nationalism. After partition of Bengal, Swadeshi movement was formally started from Town Hall, Calcutta on 7 August 1905 to curb foreign goods by relying on domestic production. Here the next question is P.J. Naik committee is related to and the options are refinancing weak banks, licensing to private banks, governance of bank boards, and privatization of nationalized bank. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C. P.J. Naik committee is related to governance of bank board. The P.J. Naik committee or officially the committee to review governance of a board of bank in India was set up by Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, to review the governance of a board of bank in India. The committee was set up in January 2014. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे जेव्हा वित्तीय संस्था आणि बँकांशी संबंधित उपक्रम जसे गुंतवणूक, डेबिट आणि क्रेडिट कार्ड इत्यादी करतात तेव्हा ते काय म्हणून ओळखले जाते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत इंटरनेट बँकिंग, युनिव्हर्सल बँकिंग, आभासी बँकिंग आणि घाऊक बँकिंग. The correct answer for this question is option number B. When financial institutions and the banks undertake activity related to the banking like investment, issue of debit and credit card, etc., then it is known as universal banking. Now the universal banking is a system in which banks provide a wide variety of comprehensive financial services, including those tailored to retail, commercial and investment services. Universal banking is common in some European countries including Switzerland. सिडबीची पूर्ण मालकीची उपकंपनी आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत IDBI, RBI, सेबी आणि IFCI. The correct answer for this question is option number A. SIDBI is fully owned subsidiary of IDBI. The SIDBI, that is Small Industry Development Bank of India, is wholly owned subsidiary of IDBI, that is Industrial Development Bank of India, established under Special Act of Parliament 1988, which became operative from April to 1990. 1993 मध्ये पंजाब नॅशनल बँक सोबत कोणती बँक एकत्र आली? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत अवध कमर्शियल बँक, इम्पेरिकल बँक ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू बँक ऑफ इंडिया अँड लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे पंजाब आणि सिंध बँक. The correct answer for this question is option number C. New Bank of India united with the Punjab National Bank in 1993. The Punjab National Bank acquired New Bank of India in year 1993. The only other nationalized bank merged with the another except from the State Bank of India with its associated bank was the merger of Bharatiya Mahila Bank with the State Bank of India in 2017. Next question आहे जेव्हा सिक्युरिटीजची खरेदी सिक्युरिटीजच्या विक्रीपेक्षा जास्त असते तेव्हा बाजार असतो आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत बुलिश, मंदी, राखाडी आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे विषम. Here the correct answer for this question is option number B. When purchases of a securities are more than the sale of securities, the market is bearish market. A bear market is when a market experiences the prolonged price decline. It typically describes a condition in which security prices fallen 20% or more from recent high amid widespread pessimism and negative investor sentiment. Here the next question is, which one of the following is called as initial repayment holiday given to the borrower for repayment of loan? And the options are amortization, moratorium, subvention, and none of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number B, moratorium. A moratorium is a temporary suspension of an activity until future event warrant lifting of the suspension or related issue have been resolved. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे आरबीआय मध्ये किती डेप्युटी गव्हर्नर आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत 2, 4, 5 आणि 10. The correct answer for this question is option number B. 4 deputy governors are there in RBI. The overall direction of RBI lies with the 21-member Central Board of Directors composed of the governor, 4 deputy governor, 2 finance minister representatives, 10 government nominated directors and 4 directors. Next question आहे सेफ डिपॉझिट लॉकर सुविधा वापरण्यासाठी बँक ग्राहक काय देतील आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत लॉकरवर कमिशन, लॉकरवर देवाणघेवाण, लॉकरवर भाडे आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे सुरक्षित कोठडी शुल्क. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. Rent on the locker, customer have to pay for using the safe deposit locker facilities. Provide locker facility to the members to safe keep their valuable stuff and clothes. For providing such a facility, they charge a sum of money is known as a locker rent. Therefore, it is a revenue income for a not-profit organization and it appears to the credit side of the income and the expenditure account. Here the next question is, what is mortgage? And the options are a security created on immovable property for a deposit received by a bank, a security created on immovable property for a loan given by the bank, a facility created on movable property for a deposit receivable by a bank, a security created on movable property for a loan given by the bank. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number B. A security created on immovable property for a loan given by a bank. The next question is, Discount and Finance House of India mainly deal in, and the options are commercial bills, corporate treasury bills, and last option is commercial papers. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. Discount and Finance House of the India mainly deal in treasury bills. Treasury bills are a zero coupon security and pay no interest. Instead, they are issued at the discount and redeemed at the face value at maturity. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, भारतात स्वदेशी बिले लोकप्रिय म्हणून ओळखली जातात आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत वेळेची बिले, हुंडीस, व्यापार बिले, दृष्टी बिले. The correct answer for this question is option number B. In India, indigenous bill popularly known as Hundis bill. Indigenous bill are used by indigenous banker to raise or remit money or finance inland trade. These are the popularly known as hundis. The next question is, SEBI defines AIF as privately held and managed pool of investment fund. What does AIF stand for? And the options are Angel Investment Fund, Alternative Investment Fund, Abundant Investment Fund, and Applicable Investment Fund. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Alternative Investment Fund. Alternative Investment Fund or AIF means any fund established or incorporated in India which is a privately pooled investment vehicle which collect fund from sophisticated investor, whether the Indian or a foreign, for investing it in coordinates with the defined investment policy for benefit of its investors.